Oh, it's amazing that you click on this video. I hope that you may stay and may have it to the hand. Okay, you're here because you wanna know why you are so bad at talk, bro. Don't worry. On the same level, I am not that good in parkour, but at least I'm better than most of y'all. But parkour is just simple, bro. You just jump. Sometimes you need to sprint and jump, but mostly just jump. But with some things tend to fail, especially me. I identified I may just laugh at all over the way, but when it reaches to the end, I miss it, bro. I just lose it. That's not something that a person should be proud of, but parkour is very simple. What you gotta do is just practice. When you practice at parkour, everything's gonna be alright, bro. Just practice, especially in servers. I personally play on CubeCraft. Competitive parkour is the best, which is the one that I can recommend for you because that parkour gives you adrenaline, pops you out, bro. Knowing that another person's gonna win, you're gonna do your best even though you're failing. But enough talking about parkour. In general, you just have to do the best thing that we all have to do. Practice and practice. Some of the YouTubers, they're small YouTubers, just practice, bro. Don't sit there expect for you to blow up eventually. Just upload daily. It's not supposed for you to upload daily. Just upload videos. Practice on your editing skills. I recommend even you watching some people doing video editing, seeing how they do it, or even watch what your best YouTubers do and try to practice it. It's not a secret, bro. But if they're using Adobe, so bro, if you're broke as hell like some of us, it's just better. But in general, what I mean to say is just practice whatever you're gonna do, and maybe one day you're perfect as nobody. Yeah, and that's it. Peace out.